Okay, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Coach Rob at Shannon's with Charlie. And Charlie's going to help us cook some farlane or some. We're going to start it again. Actually, continue along. That intro wasn't too bad. So Shannon's going to read the type of pasta we're going to make, and Charlie's going to supervise.
Italian pasta, something, I don't know.
Anyway, we're going to. Charlie approves it. He really likes the Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
And we're going to use the roasted garlic alfredo. So we're going to get cooking. We are also going to cook a couple of the
Skewers.
chicken skewers or chicken kebabs. Okay, so Charlie's going to supervise this whole thing, aren't you, Rob? Yes, Rob. And I expect a piece of chicken too when it's all said and done.
Oh, do you?
And you can see Charlie in the background. Rob, what's that in your hand? Rob, show me. Charlie, that's the chicken that we're going to cook in the air fryer. We're going to keep it in the fridge for now. Oh, Rob, that's a great idea. You know what, Rob? You should get the sauce in the pot there, and getting maybe not turn on yet, but just have it ready to go. That's a great idea, Charlie. Let's do that now. Okay, everyone, we're going to start cooking now, and the instructions say bring 4 to 5 liters of water to a boil, which is 16 cups for 4 liters. But we're not doing the whole box. Like, we're not cooking the whole box. So I've got 8 cups in the pot ready to go. I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, we got our water in there now. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. Then we've got our pot here to heat up the sauce as well, and we're gonna cook the chicken too. And Charlie's doing Charlie stuff. Okay, here's our roasted garlic alfredo sauce, and we're going to heat some of it up in the pot there. So I should probably put half the jar in. Would you say that, Shannon, or?
Pardon?
I'll put half the jar in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, as you can see, we got the sauce in the pot now, and what we did is, even though, like, today is what, January 24th, 2026. This didn't have an expiry date till well into 2027, but that means shelf life before you open it. Once you open these jars, you could probably keep it in the fridge for like maybe 5-6 days, and will start to go bad just the way it is. So we're going to use the entire jar, and these jars, they don't cost that much anyway at the store. So this is coming along here, and once this is boiling, I think it says on the box we have to boil the pasta for is it 10 minutes? 10-11 minutes. I'll check. Yeah, as you can see, bring 4 to 5 liters of water to a boil. Add salt to taste. Add pasta to boiling water, stirring occasionally. For authentic al dente pasta, boil for 11 minutes. For more tender pasta, boil an extra minute. So we'll do the 11 minutes. Then you dry it. Or no, you don't dry it. You drain it on a thing. So how's that sound, Shannon?
Sounds good.
So what we're gonna do now, everyone, is we're gonna get the chicken skewers on the plate, and then stick it back in the fridge, and then we'll start cooking that when the time comes. Okay, we've got our pasta in here. We've got our sauce. Still warming up. We've got our timer on somewhere. So we got the timer for 11 minutes. And we're heating up the air fryer now. We got our chicken ready to go in the air fryer. It's preheating. We got this here. We got the sauce. Okay, we got 10 minutes to go on the pasta, so I gotta stir it a bit. And same with the sauce. Okay, everybody, it's coming along good. We're about halfway through everything here. We got 6 minutes to go on the timer, and this is coming good. I just temped it. It was about 150 Fahrenheit for the sauce, so that's good. And we're gonna put it. We're gonna drain. When all this is done, we'll have to strain this in the strainer, right? But that's gonna be all right. We got our Parmesan and over here. In a minute or so, we have to turn this over. A couple of minutes, we turn the skewers over. So 246. That's 246 left on the pasta here. And over here, we got 4 minutes and 34 seconds to go on the chicken skewers. Okay, we're down to the nitty gritty. We're down to 40 seconds on that. Oh boy, Rob! The timer's already gone off for the pasta, so we're gonna just cook it a bit more. We're gonna turn this off here. We're gonna turn this one off here. Then I'm gonna drain the pasta carefully over there that we won't film because it'd be dangerous. I can't film and dump pasta at the same time. So then we're gonna put it back into here.
All right.
Right, so we've got our pasta here, right?
Charlie, move.
And we're gonna carefully put it into the strainer that's in the sink here. I hope I got it all in there. Right, so then what we gotta do, right, is we gotta somehow get it back into this pot. I think all the water's out, eh?
I think so.
Or do you want to, should we stir that, or is that good?
That's good.
Okay. So we're gonna stir that. We're gonna put it back in the pot. I couldn't film this and do it, so that's there. So we've already turned this off, and I'm gonna put it just on the back burner for now, right? And I'll put in some of the sauce, right?
That's correct.
I don't know if we need all the sauce in there, or maybe we do we? Or
Probably good.
put all the sauce in, or what?
Yeah.
Or let's just see. Maybe, eh? Yeah, I guess so, eh? So put all
Sorry,
the
folks. The camerawoman's coughing.
put all the sauce in. And we got our Parmesan over there. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, like the stove is off, we're just gonna do a quick temp check on the chicken skewers that Shannon's gonna still film. Is that okay? Is that good?
That's perfect.
How's that looking?
Looking good.
And we'll let that sit. We'll get out our trusty.
Thermometer.
We bought at the No Frill store in Grand Forks, British Columbia, when I was visiting family.
Family.
Oh yeah, see 176. Can you see that? It's way hot. So it's good.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna
Charlie, move.
rinse this off. And we're gonna pause in a while, and we'll bring you back when it's all done. So as you can see, we've got it well mixed. I'll mix it a bit more, then we'll show you what the finished product's like with the chicken. And here's Shannon's finished product with the chicken skewer on it. And we'll bring it over to Shannon. And I'll show you mine in a second. We got our Parmesan cheese there, and Shannon's gonna open the top for us. And Charlie's supervising. Oh, Rob, that looks so good. Good job, Rob. And Shannon's already had a few bites of hers. What do you think of it so far?
Really, really good.
Really good. And oh, Rob, I think it looks good. Rob, why don't you have some of yours by putting the Parmesan cheese on, Rob? Okay, Charlie. So, Charlie, I'm going to have some of this, and we'll talk about it in a sec. Oh, Rob, that's good, Rob. I want to talk on the video, too. Okay, you will, Charlie. Meow. Rob, what was that click sound? Charlie, that's the light I got your mom at Christmas time. Oh, yeah, Rob, that was such a splendid gift. I'm so glad you got that for her. Rob, somebody's missing from the shelf on the light. Oh, yeah, Charlie, where did that Christmas bear go?
In the bin.
Oh, your mom put it in the bin until next year, Charlie. Oh, Rob, that's just grand. Maybe another stuff we can find its home there. One of the ones we already have. Oh, Charlie, I'm sure one day another one will. Oh, Rub. Anyway, Rub, I'm getting a bit dozy here. I think I just want to get some sleep because then I can snuggle with my mom later when we go to bed and watch YouTube videos. That sounds good, Charlie, because I'm going to go home now and upload the video we made tonight. Oh, Rob, that sounds great. So I'm pointing out here to tell everyone to like and subscribe. Thanks, Charlie. No problem, Rob. Have a good night, Rob. You too, Charlie.
Aw.
Aww.